Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Master Words English, the channel where learning English is fun and super easy. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're talking about something very important in life. Money.
Yes, we all use money every day. But do you know how to talk about money in English? Don't worry, we're here to help.
Let's start with some useful English words about money. Word, meaning, money, coins and notes we use to buy things. Price, cost of something. Salary, money you earn from your job. Spend, use money to buy things. Save, keep money for the future. Wallet, a small bag for money. Bank, where you keep your money safely. Budget, a plan for spending money.
Repeat after us and try using these words in real life. I work in an office, so I get a salary every month. But I don't spend all of it. I save money too. I put my money in a bank account. I want to buy a new laptop. It's expensive. So I made a budget. Check. Food. Check. Transportation. Check. Bills. Check. Savings. X. No unnecessary shopping.
Wow, you're very responsible.
Thanks. Saving money helps us feel safe in the future.
Well, I like spending money. I buy snacks, new shoes, and video games. Money goes out of my wallet like whoosh. But sometimes at the end of the month, I look in my wallet and I find nothing.
Daniel, you need to control your spending.
I know. I'm trying.
Let's learn some useful phrases for buying things. How much is this? What's the price? That's too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Can you give me a discount? I don't have enough money.
These are perfect to use in a market or a shop.
Daniel, let's act like we're shopping.
Shopping role play. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $25.
That's a bit expensive. Can you make it $18?
Okay, special price for you, $18.
Great, I'll take it.
Thank you. Come again. Nicely done, shopkeeper Daniel.
Here are some common English expressions. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is not easy to get. I'm broke. I have no money. That cost an arm and a leg. It's very expensive. Save for a rainy day. Save for the future.
Try using these expressions with your friends. Now, it's your turn. Answer in the comments. Number 1. Do you like to save money or spend money? Number 2. What do you want to buy in the future? Number 3. Do you make a budget?
We will read your answers and reply.
Talking about money is important in English and in real life.
If you practice a little every day, you will become a confident English speaker.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to
Master Words English.
See you next time.
Bye!